Hi guys! Look at this delicious pasta I made using ground bison. Welcome and welcome back to Gloria's Platter. Let's go see what ingredients we need to make this yummy dish. I have a box of tricolor rotini pasta here, chopped onion, £1 ground bison, grated Parmesan cheese, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon ground black pepper, 4 cloves of chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning, 2 tablespoons oil, and 1 can of pasta sauce. So first, boil water in a saucepan. Add salt and bring it to a rolling boil. Add the pasta and cook according to the instructions. In this case, I will cook for 9 minutes. Heat the oil and saute the garlic and onions for 3 minutes. At this time, the pasta is cooked, so I will drain the water and set aside. The onions are nicely browned, so now we can add the ground bison. If you can't find ground bison or don't eat ground bison, feel free to substitute with any other kind of meat. We are browning the meat on one side. Constant stirring will not help evaporate the juices in the meat. That will also take a long time for the meat to cook. I am using my meat chopper to pound the ground bison. The meat is dry now, and we can add the pasta sauce. Stir well and add black pepper powder and Italian seasoning. Covering the pot will reduce the splatter. As you know, my most hated chore in the kitchen is cleaning the stove. Cook for 10 minutes until the meat is cooked. Add the salt and the pasta. Mix well. So what type of cheese do you like in your pasta? Write that in the comment section, please. I am adding grated Parmesan. I like mozzarella cheese in my pasta as well. Whichever is in the fridge, I keep changing all the time. By the way, have you watched my Spanish chicken video? It turned out really delicious, so go check it out, please. This amount of pasta is sufficient for a family of 4 or 5. I hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to Gloria's Platter. If you hit the bell, you will be the first to be notified when a new video is released. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.